So it's been a while, but I'm back and I have the most minimal case you can get for the S25 Ultra. So let's check it out. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So here we are with the Arc Pulse for the S25 Ultra. Big shout out to Arc for sending this over for review. I much appreciate it. I have recently reviewed this for the iPhone 16 Pro Max, and here is the S25 Ultra version. So let's get a look at it. So here we are. The box is a little bit bigger than the iPhone version, but that's kind of understandable. It has to be bigger for the massive camera array on the S25 Ultra. So let's just open it up, and there we go. So it's the graphite version, and there's the top part and the bottom part. So pretty minimal unboxing, not much there to unpackage. So let's move on and check out the weight. So this is made out of aerospace grade aluminium, and if we pop that on, the entire thing weighs in at 19 grams. So that gives you an indication of how minimal this is going to be on your phone. And if we just quickly pop it on like so, there we go. And if we just pop this on the scale, the complete package weighs in at a solid 250 grams. So that'll be what you'll carry around inside your pocket. Obviously, there's no sides protected, there's no buttons covered, so there's no buttons to test because it is just the exposed side rail of the phone itself. And again, it is exposed at the top and it is exposed at the bottom. It only is offering you protection on the corners of the phone. My biggest concern with the Arc Pulse was always, is it going to stay on? And this is exactly the same as the iPhone version. So if we just pop this off, you can see just how difficult it is to get off. So you have this little rubber gasket that goes on the inside of the metal frame. When you pop this on your phone, I sort of describe creates like a vacuum, you know, like it suctions onto your phone, and it is extremely difficult to get off. But if you're worried about it falling off your phone, it's not going to fall off your phone. It's just not going to. So screen lip then, like I said, it is only covers the corners, and it is raised at the corners as well. So at least that is going to lift that screen up off the surface. So if you set it down flat, it is going to lift it up off the surface. You're not going to get any issues with your screen touching the flat surface, so that's pretty important. And then if we just check out the camera guard, it is a really good camera guard. You can see the lenses aren't even close to protruding out there. If I turn it on its side, you can see they're not even close. You get really good set down flat protection, so when you set it down flat, you're not going to get those lenses rubbing. Also, it doesn't rock. It gives you a completely level experience. The big question, who is this for? This is for the absolute minimalist. See, the people that don't want to rock a case, but they still want a little bit of protection around that camera guard, around the corners of their phone, because let's face it, when you typically drop a phone, it falls corner down. That's going to give you that protection. Aerospace grade aluminium, you are going to be protected. The biggest issue I have with something like this is I'm not brave enough to rock about a phone with the side bumpers not protected, right? I wish I was that guy. Sadly, I am not. I just can't do it. I just can't do it. My second big thing is I use a lot of MagSafe and a lot of Qi 2 accessories. This phone doesn't have Qi 2 built in, and when I'm using the Arc Pulse on this phone, I can't use any of my accessories. There's no magnets in the phone. That's a big thing for me. That's just my use case. But if you aren't a person that uses MagSafe on your Android phones, it's not really going to be a big issue for you. And if you are an ultra minimalist, you will be able to have a pretty good experience with this. You are going to get a little bit of protection while still having an absolute minimal experience. That's really my thoughts on the Arc Pulse for the S25 Ultra. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Are you an ultra minimalist? Do you prefer a full bumper case? What's your thoughts? Let me know in the comments down below. If you are interested in picking this up, Arc have gave me a discount code, which I will leave you in the description down below. That will get you discount off your order. And of course, affiliate links help support the channel, but they don't cost you guys any more money. So if you do pick up using any of my affiliate links, thanks for your support. It's much appreciated. And that about wraps it up for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me. Don't forget to click that subscribe and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. Keep it locked to the channel. I have a lot more content coming. I am back in the studio and I am shooting like you would not believe. So stay tuned. There's more videos coming. So if you want some more down-to-earth tech review and accessory videos, you know where to come. Until the next one, I'll catch you later. Arc Pulse, baby. Oh yeah.